Namaste. I am happy to meet you all in the 109th episode of Tapasya. This episode is about Kumari Sarvashri's Tapasya in Sridevi Nrityalaya since 2017.
என் பேர் சர்வஸ்ரீ வி மதன். நான் செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறேன்.
I had enrolled my daughter Sarvashri in Sridevi Nrityalaya in the year 2017, I think in the month of June or July. So the main reason I enrolled her here was because she was a branded child in the school that she went to initially, her pre-KG class here. So she was called as, she's showing signs of being attention deficit, hyper energetic and all that. So that was a very traumatic phase. To help her get better or to, I didn't help her condition or whatever, I was advised to put her in all these organized edu sports kind of activities. I did enroll her in all that, but I did not see any kind of improvement. So, true to the saying, a known devil is better than an unknown angel, I realized that enrolling her in an art form, which I am very comfortable in, would help her the best. So I decided to, enroll her in a proper Bharatanatyam class where she learned implicit dedication and discipline. And the best place I could identify for that was Sridevi Nrityalaya.
वस्तुनिषेधने कुचस्थले निशायां च नद्याम् अमरमण्डले तुरङ्गे खण्डने वायौ शयने गमनोद्यमे
தேவகி வசுதேவர் பெற்ற செல்வமே கோபாலா யசோதை நந்த பாலா உனையாவலோடு காண வந்தோம் அருள் புரிவாயே ஆயர் பாடி தன்னில் பசுமாடு கன்று மேய்க்கும் ஆனந்த கோவிந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணனே.
So Sarvashri, when she was selected for the Bharatanatyam Utsav, Tejas Bharatanatyam Utsav, ma'am used to scold her for looking everywhere because she was very distracted and she lacked focus. So she was never able to look at one point and dance, look straight and dance. So at that time, ma'am requested another parent to get black cardboard paper and attach it on a hairband, like kudri pillada kattina madri. So it was like, to cover her eyes so that she will avoid looking to the side. But she still ended up looking like this at people. That was a different issue. At that time, it was very painful. So it felt like maybe what the schools told about her was true. So maybe she does have a problem.
ಸತ್ತಾಗಿ ಸಿತ್ತಾಗಿ ಜಯಜೀವ ವಿತ್ತಾಗಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಗಿ முதலான காரணம் எங்கும் மூடாகி முடிவற்ற பூரணம் போதம் இழந்து வேகம் நான் என மோகம் கொள்ளுது மூடமனம் நாளே பிரம்மம் நாளே பிரம்மம் ஜகமகம் யாவும் பிரம்மமயம்.
But after that show, and then the March 7th show, and every show when I started seeing step-by-step improvement, especially during the WhatsApp video classes that ma'am adapted during the COVID lockdown period, I saw the marked difference in my daughter, and that actually ended up being my balm for all the pain that I underwent. Once the classes started going in a regular fashion, she started enjoying coming here. She understood that the corrections or scoldings, whatever she gets in class, it doesn't mean that she's not liked by the teacher or she's not liked by the class. So she understood that the corrections or scoldings that she gets is basically a tool or an advice that she has to take for her improvement, for her development.
மாபலி சிரம் அளந்த வாமனனே.
The aspect I saw in the senior girls, the Guru Bhakti, that was yet another factor that inspired me, because that is the mandate to your life.
There was one very lovely incident that I will never forget. So one of the classes, after one of the classes when I had come for pickup, so that was actually one very angry class apparently. So ma'am has scolded the children. The children were all not the best that they did that day. So they had gotten quite a lot of scoldings. So after that, ma'am has the habit of, okay, class here they have been scolded well, so now let us calm them down a little bit so that they don't go home with that, that thought that it was a bad day. So she was talking to all these children about how eating vegetables and fruits is very important. Only if you do all that you will be able to dance. So all the children said, okay, we walked out, and suddenly Sarvashri, she was all of about 5-6, she said, Amma, I forgot to ask ma'am something. And she ran back inside. So I was terrified because Sarvashri speaks very bad Tamil till date. Back then it was even worse. So she went in and she stood straight to Sheila ma'am's face and she said, "Na vegetables, fruits stocked up and then he dance la edupingala." And I remember Sheila ma'am and Shobha ma'am looking at each other and saying, permission kekala or she's scolding us. And 2 days after that, ma'am called me and said, I would like to check if Sarvashri's height matches for Sadakshara.
ஷியாமள வண்ணனை பாடுங்கடி, எங்கள் ஸ்ரீதரன் கண்ணனை போற்றுங்கடி. கோகுல கிருஷ்ணனின் லீலைகள் பாடியே குறவையாடி கும்மி கொட்டுங்கடி. ஷியாமள வண்ணனை பாடுங்கடி, எங்கள் ஸ்ரீதரன் கண்ணனை போற்றுங்கடி. கோகுல கிருஷ்ணனின் லீலைகள் பாடியே குறவையாடி கும்மி கொட்டுங்கடி. ஷியாமள வண்ணனை பாடுங்கடி, எங்கள் ஸ்ரீதரன் கண்ணனை போற்றுங்கடி. கோகுல கிருஷ்ணனின் லீலைகள் பாடியே குறவையாடி கும்மி கொட்டுங்கடி. ஷியாமள வண்ணனை பாடுங்கடி, எங்கள் ஸ்ரீதரன் கண்ணனை போற்றுங்கடி. கோகுல கிருஷ்ணனின் லீலைகள் பாடியே குறவையாடி கும்மி கொட்டுங்கடி.
Everybody used to ask me, what is wrong with you? You being a dancer yourself, you are shuttling from Besant Nagar to Salikramam on a daily basis. So, to answer that question, for a child who was assumed to be having problems, she has proved that she is better than many in many ways now, and for that I am completely grateful to every single person in Sridevi Vidyalaya. So thank you very much. After Harni identified her in the Kama Swarajati, she was given solo opportunities, and that was when Pritula came into the picture. One thing I must tell about everybody in SDN is they do not treat the student as just a student. They take ownership, they take responsibility of that child's well-being.
But after coming here, the improvement I saw in my granddaughter, the level of confidence, it is not just dance alone, the way they prepare the children for copying. Each and every child coming to the stage, holding the mic and announcing about the next dance with so much of confidence. These are factors that everybody should know about SDN.
வாசது மனதோடும் வெண்ணை நாதவே மகன் என்றும் பாராமல் கஞ்ச தன்னம் செய்த.
I love about Sridevi Vidyalaya when they teach the aspects of spiritualism to the children, when they teach the dance. It is not just dance they learn. They learn our culture, they learn our Puranas, Itihasas. That is very nice. இன்னைக்கு அந்த பாட்டிகள் கதை சொல்றதுங்கிற அந்த ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இட் செல்ஃப் இஸ் ஃபேடிங். ஸோ தட் வாஸ் பீங் ரீப்ளேஸ்ட் ஹியர் ஸோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்.
One very important aspect that I feel that everybody should understand is how my girl came and told me one day, ma'am scolded me, Akka scolded me, and she came crying. I said, okay, fine, what happened? Everything after talking all that. The question I asked my daughter was, what do you feel now? The answer that my daughter told me made me very happy that she's on the right path. She said, I am sad I made ma'am and Akka get angry and upset with me. I don't want that to happen. So that shows that she's on the learning path, and I'm happy about that.
What inspired me about Sridevi Nityaja is it is like a Gurukulam here. That concept of Gurukulam is fading away from us, but I felt it every time I came here. The teachers were looking at the children like their own children with utmost sincerity. They were correcting the children the right way it should be done, which is really absent even in schools this day. As a grandmother, I'm very thankful that my granddaughter has reached the right place for her career. And now that she is aspiring to become a dancer in future, this art is the best that we have given her and the right place for her. There is a saying in Tamil, "Azhazha solva than manusha, silke silka solva per manusha." Others will laugh at you when you are doing something wrong. Those who are concerned only will correct everybody. Those who are concerned that the child should not go get a bad name elsewhere will definitely do something to correct the child. This is sculpting.
తరితాం తరిదన్నతాం తరిదన్న జొన్నుతాం తరిదన్న జొన్ను దిమ్మి
தாண்டவம்
తాం తగదరికిట తాం తాం తగతరికిట తక్క తాం తాం తక్కతరికిట తక్క
ஆனந்த தாண்டவம்.
All teachers here in SDN, during class hours, they are extremely strict. Like, you cannot play around, you cannot joke around. Strict, serious. And the class முடியற வரைக்கும் அப்படிதான். And then class வெளில வந்தோடனே teachers become your friends. You talk with them, you laugh with them, we joke around. And SDN is like my second home. It's home away from me.